and gentlemen, and welcome to another vlog. This one is going to be a micro vlog, or maybe it's going to be macro, or who knows. But I just want to say, I had a long weekend upstate just now. I camped, I installed the stove, converted it, blah blah blah, all these things. Installed some bunch of shit. I'm very accomplished this weekend. And I camped, and I hung out with my mom, I did everything. And now it's 6 p.m. I have 135, it's Monday night. I have 135 miles ahead of me, a little over 2 hours. And I'm just cooking on my fucking Ducati Monster. I'm going, 72 and 55, let me slow down. Life, and look, my dials are stuck. I am going 65 and my dials are stuck at 45 in this. I do hope they return somehow one day to its, I wonder if my dash is just fucked. It's possible. But what I wanted to say is, how weird is life? Right now I'm feeling like an anxious motherfucker, right? I don't know why. I'm just feeling it. I'm just going through it right now. I don't know why. I went on a date, and I don't think this girl liked me as much as I liked her. That sucks. But that's not the source of my anxiety. Also, there needs to be another piece bought for the stove that I just installed. Also not source of my anxiety. My fucking bike is kind of falling apart. The dials are stuck. At least it started. Not a source of my anxiety. Tomorrow I have a major board meeting at 9 a.m. and I'm prepared. Also not a source of my anxiety. So what is the source of my anxiety? I think it's inside the head. Can you see the shadow? Awesome. How sick is this? I'm literally just by myself, just cruising. There's no cops, there's no cars, there's just me on the road. What could I possibly be upset about? What is it? What is it that is not fulfilling? I don't know. I really don't know what it is. I don't know what I'm feeling that is missing. Do you ever feel this way? I mean, I'm sure it's a rhetorical question. Do you feel like something is missing from your life? Also a rhetorical question. Obviously something is missing from everybody's life, unless you're in the perfect zen. Perfect zen. There's nothing to complain about. Awesome camp out. And a week from now, me and my buddy NYC Scrambler, we're gonna go on an awesome motorcycle adventure to Vermont and whatnot. So that's nice. Nothing to be upset about there either. I don't know. Anxiety for me usually is when I'm forgetting something, or I have to do something that I'm anxious about. And as it stands now, I'm not concerned or anxious about anything. I'm literally just living. No issues. It's a good time for fishing right now. See, there's a lot of fishermen. The earplugs are really good. I plugged them in good. Definitely should not be going 80 though, because that will give me some extra anxiety. Nice speeding ticket right now. So yeah, just wanted to share this little nugget of information with you. Yep. Just had some dumplings. Yeah, I don't know what it is about me. Something's wrong with me, obviously. It's just something that's not adding up. Ducati. Best bike in the world. I did everything today, this weekend. Fully accomplished. I wasn't a drunk, lazy pig. I got some drinking in. How much beer did I drink this weekend? Let's see. 6 plus 3 plus 7. About 10, 12 beers. Not too much beer. That's pretty good. It is a little bit nervous, concerning when you're by yourself on a highway, just because if the cop sees you, he just sees you. Nobody else to blame. And the sun is going down, so it's kind of getting a little chillier, but I'm also going towards the city, which makes it a little warmer. By the time I'm in Palisades, it's gonna be the sun's gonna be going down for realsies. It's a real shame about my dials. They usually kind of come back and snap back, but I'm worried that they're fucked for good, because my odometer and thermometer are working fine, but that baby is, it's okay. It just sucks because without Waze I wouldn't know how fast I'm going. Oops. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. And that's the vlog, boys and girls. I don't want to keep you here forever. There's no need for you to hang out with me for the next 2 hours if I'm cruising, you know? The air is cool, so the bike is at 220. No issues. Everything works. Yep. Everything works. Except for the dials now. Hold on. It's gonna be okay. And we're gonna pass Roscoe. I want to make sure not to get any speeding tickets here, because the GoPro likes this area. This truck. In the shade it's kind of chilly, but in the sun it's lovely. Normally I stop at some sort of Taco Bell or McDonald's or Burger King, something nasty on the way home, but not today. Today I am just chilling. Did I zip up my armpits? I did. Good. I did. And my chest, right? Yep. Chest is zipped up. Good. I was gonna wear an extra layer, which I probably should have, but I didn't.